Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are finally going to be reviewing the stuff we got from Miss Freaking A. If you guys have never heard of Miss A, it is a website where makeup is $1, like brushes for $1, highlighters for $1, bronzers for a freaking dollar. Like everything is $1, you guys. Yeah, Miss A is like really killing the game right now, and I'm not gonna say all products are amazing because I've tried so many freaking products, and I've tried products that I hated, that I had to throw away, and there's products that, you know, are actually genuinely good. So if you guys haven't seen my last video, I think it was my last video or a couple of videos back, I did film a big haul with Miss A products. I think I ordered like about 100 and something products from Miss A. I know. I ordered a huge order from Miss A, and I filmed a video. If you guys haven't seen it, I will link it down below for you guys, so make sure to check it out. It is so freaking late. Like, I'm blind as fuck, you guys. Like, I can't even see. 11:06 p.m. on a Monday night. So it's gonna be such a long video. Help. Guys, you guys probably think that I took everything out of the box when I did that video, but guess what? After I filmed the haul video, I just literally threw everything back, and I was just like, you know what? F this. I don't want to freaking put anything away. So I just literally just grabbed everything and put it in here, and here it is. Bitch. It's Monday. You know, I needed a freaking glass of wine. So we're just going to, you know, get started with the video because there's just a lot of shit, and I'm gonna try to use as much as I can. But if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, or if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Shantae Nicole. Welcome to my channel. Hit the notification bell down below so you guys get notified whenever I post a video, or if you guys are just watching the video, click the subscribe button. You're already fucking here. Let's just get started into the video. I'm gonna stop talking because I talk way too freaking much, but let's just get right into the video.
The weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
I'm just gonna do my brows off camera because I didn't get any brow stuff. So let me just do my brows off camera. You guys will literally see it like in a second. So I don't know if I want to start with my face or the eyes first. So if you guys didn't see my last video, I ordered so many shadow palettes that I'm just like, bitch, you know you're not gonna fucking use them. Do the eyes first actually, because if I have fallout, I can just obviously clean it up. I'm gonna go ahead and use this soft base eye primer. This is a nude color. It's supposed to keep oil controlled. It's no fading nor creasing. Yeah, it says reduces darkness and discoloration on the eyelid and make blah blah blah. It's supposed to do what an eye primer is supposed to do. Oh my god, this is supposed to be nude. Why is it yellow? Why is it so yellow? Bitch, I think I put way too much. But I'm just gonna blend this out with like a brush. But I'm gonna start off with this palette right here, and I think I am going to grab blue from here. I kind of want to see how the blues work. By the way, I didn't set the eyeshadow primer. I'm just gonna go in with the color and set it that way. It is already creasing, even though it said it was non-creasing, and just as I thought. That color really has not much pigment. So to this, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this color right here. This one on top. So I'm gonna grab this really light blue eyeshadow. This is from Santi's Strawberry Shake collection. This is so cute. And I'm gonna take it on a fluffy brush. It has a lot of fallout. I'm gonna try to blend this out. I'm gonna take this eyeshadow palette now, which has the darks and, you know, the dark shades from here, and this is the one that I was using. I want to go in with this black color. I want to smoke this look out. No, I look like I got punched, but that's the point. I'm still gonna blend this out, but I'm gonna grab this brownish shade right there just to, you know, blend this out. I have this going on, which not sure if I like it or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the base again and cut my crease. So this is what I have going on right now. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use one of these dark shades, either the blue or the green or both. So I'm gonna grab this blue one right here. That is pretty. I like that blue. Oh, and I see the choppiness coming through. Besides the color actually being really pretty, it's choppy. It's not really adhering to like this crease area, and I don't know if that's the primer or if that's the shadow itself. Let me zoom you guys in. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but like the color, it's actually really nice. The color. But bitch, look, it's like really choppy. It's like right here, it's like not even grabbing the shade right here, and like up here in the crease, it's like creasing. So I'm not gonna use that blue to like fill in the inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this right here. This is the Santi the Pink collection, and I'm gonna grab this green. I'm gonna apply it to the inner corner. Oh yeah, this shade is so much better than that blue one. I am going to grab again the black from here, and blend it out right here in this outer corner. It's giving me non-blendable vibes. I'm gonna go ahead and do this other eye off of camera, and you know, I'll be right back to show you guys the rest of the face because I have so many products for the face. Okay, so I know, before you start fucking criticizing, I know this eye came out a whole lot better than this eye, and I think that's because with this eye, the base, or this base that we used, I only applied it to the lid. I didn't apply it to the entire lid. I only applied it to up until where the crease ends. Bitch, who is she? Who the fuck is she? The reason why I went with blues, you guys, is because I know that everybody is always going with like the browns, the oranges, the neutral colors, and you know, I just don't want to do that. I want 2 lashes. So I have 3 pairs of lashes, but these 2 are the same. So this one right here, this is in the style Melissa. It just looks, it looks like this. It doesn't look like my vibe, you guys. Like, they're super thin, like they're natural, and we're not about that. So we're gonna go ahead and use these ones. These are my absolute favorites. These are in the style Harper. These are so freaking pretty, you guys. By the way, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a little bit of this liner right here. This is the AOA Artista green liner. So this is what the lashes look like. They're so freaking nice, you guys. Like, these are my favorite style. Like, they're full, they're wispy, they're wispy and full, just what I like. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on. I waited so long to drink my wine, and I put ice in it, and now the ice melted. Why? I'm gonna go ahead and move on because we have so much stuff to try on. I'm gonna go ahead and take this AOA Studio Blurfection face primer, but oh my god, it's oily. Why is it oily? It's a primer, right? All day wear, smooth and velvety finish. I'm gonna apply this to like my nose because that's where I get all my pores from. If you have oily skin, you might not want to get that, but I have normal to dry skin, and it is very, very velvety. By the way, I did like my nails today, so I'm just like, that's how I feel. I have 2 types of foundation. I have a liquid foundation and I have a stick foundation. So I think I'm gonna go in with the liquid foundation, this Santi Make It Flawless Bare Liquid Foundation, and I got the shade number 8. and I got the shade number 12, which this one looks really red. Oh, I like that they're sealed. And I'm just gonna squeeze it in the back of my hand. Oh, it's like really, really freaking orange. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one out. If not, okay, yeah, these are not gonna work. I'll go ahead and just use a stick foundation even though I didn't want to use it today. So I got 4 shades right here. This is the Amuse 3-in-1 foundation stick. It's supposed to be a foundation, a concealer, and a bronzer, but I only got light shades. I already scratched the shit out of it from the top. Great. That feels like oil rubbing on my skin. And that's actually light. Smells like Crayolas. I already can tell from off the bat that I'm really not gonna like this foundation, and I'm running out of battery again. Because there was no new concealers, I'm gonna go ahead and do that off of camera, so I will be right back. But I have these right here. This is the Giove Sun Glow Shimmer Bronzer. This is what the shades look like. This looks like a highlighter, so I'm definitely not gonna use that. It looks gold. So it's one of these two, and I don't know because they both have a reddish undertone, but I don't want to use this one because it looks really, really red. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. This one is in the shade, it doesn't even say, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this. Oh, I already know I'm gonna hate this. Oh, bitch. Oh my god, why does that look like blush? Oh my god, no. Might as well just apply it to like the other cheek because we already did it to one. Moving on. I have about 5 blushes that look gorge. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade. This is the shade Wine. It looks like this. It is a berry undertone blush. I have a little bit of a sheen to it, but I don't mind just because I already applied, you know. Whoa. Now we're just looking like a fucking clown at this point. So let's move on to highlight. I do have a couple highlighting shades. I'm not going to use a cream highlight. I think the only highlight is this one. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one right here. This is the AOA Wonder Baked Highlighter. This is in the shade Bonbon. Oh, like... it has a little bit of... it's a little sheer. I guess if you're like into sheer, this would work perfectly for you. Oh, for lips, I have these right here. These are the Amuse Cosmetics. It doesn't say anything else but Amuse Cosmetics in the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the nude shade and, you know, apply that. Where is the color? Because I feel like I'm rubbing concealer on my lip. Like in the video, I actually showed you guys why I didn't like the liners. So they're actually really orange. That's supposed to be nude. Y es anaranjado. Where's the fucking nude? That's orange. And that's like a baby orange. Where do you get nude from this? Let me go ahead and try this lipstick out as well, since, you know, we're already trying shit out. Oh no. This has no pigment. And I did get this highlight right here, and I didn't try it out. So let's go ahead and try it out on camera before my battery dies out. So Okay, I really need to stop because me estoy pasando de madre. Well, let me just go ahead and run through everything because I feel like I'm about to talk shit right now on all the products that I did use. Let me have a sip of wine antes de que abra la boca. Okay. By the way, my face feels super heavy. Oh yeah, bitch. Like, even it's on my finger. This foundation is not for me, and it's like really tacky and it's like not good. Like, it's on my fingers, like just by touching my face. Like, it's on my fingers, bitch. Like literally, look, it's like on my freaking fingers. So the foundation is just gonna be a big no for me. I would skip on that. The bronzers, bitch, are a big no for me. They were very shimmery. They were not made for my skin tone. I got the 3 shades that were online. They were the I think it was a light, medium, and dark. It's not really for me. And how did my dumbass not freaking see that it says shimmer freaking bronzer? And I still got it, even though I don't like a shimmery bronzer. Like, are you stupid? So this is the lightest one and this is the darkest one. And as you can see, like, it has a really deep red-ish undertone, so I don't like that on a bronzer. But for all my deeper skin tone ladies, go ahead and try this out. I think this would look gorgeous on you. But if you have like my skin tone or a lighter complexion than I do, this is not gonna work out at all. This face Blurfection face primer, I don't feel like it did anything to like my nose. On the contrary, it made it feel like more oily. This is supposed to be a dupe for e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So I mean, I don't see it, but if you want to go ahead and try it out, try it out. The primers, I actually only tried the nude eyelid primer. I didn't try the glitter adhesive nor the shimmer. So I feel like if you put it on your entire lid, it's just not going to work out. But if you try it on half of the lid, it just, you know, it's just going to look better. Like, you can actually see it. Like, this side looks so much better from... Can you not? I did use these 4 today. I didn't use the other 2, but these are really good. I used this for my nose contour. I used this for blush, which you guys saw was like, you know what I mean? I mean, they're actually really good. I really love that they're $1. You can't go wrong with dollar brushes, and they're soft, you guys. So if you haven't tried them out, I would totally recommend them. Try them out. They're actually really good. They're bomb. They're bomb as fuck for $1. You can't complain. I've tried their blushes before. They're actually really bomb. I got these in a set of like 10, I believe. I could only speak for that green shade that I used in the inner corner. Is amazing. This palette right here, I don't like it. You know, they seem like they're pigmented, or at least have some sort of pigment, but it doesn't. Like, they're super sheer. It feels very chalky, powdery. I probably wouldn't recommend this. It wasn't as pigmented as I hoped it would. I had really high hopes for this, or really high expectations, and they just went down the fucking drain. That's how the fucking cookie crumbles. By the way, these lipsticks, these Amuse Cosmetics lipsticks were shit. Let's see. These right here were trash. These are the lip liners. As you guys saw, they're these right here. They're shit. They're orangey. They're supposed to be nude colors, and they're orange, so I don't know how you get orange from nude. The liner, the green liner, is actually so pretty. I really like it. Like I said, I tried the brown one. The brown one is actually really nice, but that green shade. So it is like 2:10 a.m. and I really need to get my ass to bed. So here I am again, 3rd time doing this outro for you guys at 2 a.m. when I need to get up at 7 a.m. for work tomorrow. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, hit the notification bell down below so you guys get notified whenever I post a video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video for Vlogmas day number 15? 16? 15? 16. I don't even freaking know, you guys. Oh my god, my battery's dying again. So I'm just gonna end this fucking video right here. Bye guys.